Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you TradingDiary Pro options trading related features. TradingDiary Pro has a built-in functionality to identify strategies. Currently more than 20 strategies are supported and you can create custom strategies as well. Here is a database with a few preloaded options and future options positions. Strategy assignment. I click on the Trading Tools Assign Option Spreads menu. In this window, you can see the preview of the identified strategies as a list. Here you can see the ticker of the strategy, the underlying symbol, the strategy name, entry and exit date, profit and commission columns, and the last column is the assign. Only those strategies will be assigned where this checkbox is ticked. You can also check the legs of each strategy. So for example, here is an iron condor, and you can see it consists of 4 different naked options. So let's assign all strategies. We have now less positions than previously, as a lot of naked options are merged into strategies. First, I move the strategy type column next to the ticker. Okay. There are 2 option-specific subtabs of a position. The first one is the legs, which you could see previously in the strategy assignment window. In the second one is the payoff diagram. The payoff diagram is a graphical representation of the potential outcome of a strategy. The vertical axis is the P&L, and the horizontal axis is the underlying price. If you would like to revert an assigned strategy, you have to select the strategy, right-click on the selected position, and click on the Breakup Strategy menu. As you can see, the original naked option positions have been restored and the strategy has been removed. It is possible to assign strategies manually. So let me sort by entry date. Holding the control button and selecting 3 different naked options, and right click on any of them and click on the Assign Strategy menu. You can see there is a boil core spread, a short strangle, and the custom strategy. Click on the Custom Strategy menu. Okay, we can see the custom strategy has been created, and it consists of 3 different legs. Sometimes the market goes against you and you have to adjust your existing option strategy. To adjust, select the strategy of the spread position which you would like to adjust and right click on it. The software checks the possible adjustment by the underlying symbol. If there is any, the Adjust menu is visible. Click on the menu. From this window you can select the adjustment, tick the Adjust column and click on the Adjust. You can see there is 1 more legs added to your option strategy, and the naked option position has been removed as well. These were the options trading related features of TradingDiary Pro. Thanks for watching.